I'm going to show you a simple way to add some embellishments, flowers, bows, or anything you want to add onto a sash for the inside aisle of a wedding or special event. They can be used to go around lampposts, lights, and they can be integrated into wreaths as well. I'm starting off with a 4-inch square piece of cardboard from a box lid, and all I'm going to do is change this into an octagon shape by cutting off the 4 corners. So now that I have this, I'm going to begin gluing on my flowers. You can cut off the ends of these if you'd like. It's up to you. Try not to cut it too far that you lose the leaf. I'm using 3 leaves right here. And then I'm just going to start to glue them on, like 2 up here and 1 down here, so it's kind of in a triangular shape. Next, I'm going to add my largest flower. I'm going to add at least 3 flowers here. Once I have my flower arrangement, all I'm going to do is turn it over on the back side, and I'm going to take a ruler and measure 20. That's 24 inches long. So measuring 2 of these. Our goal is to be able to do these quickly. Now I'm going to take my glue gun and draw a bead of glue across from one corner to the other corner, and then try to center this to the best of my ability. You could tape this down too. Do the same at the bottom here. Once this dries, you now have a piece that you can tie on to a sash. This works great for wreaths too, especially if they have fabric and it's hard to figure out how to add it on. All you have to do is add on the cardboard. If you have time, check out these wedding videos too.